Hey guys, Don with Dentkraft. Just here to talk about this Pro PDR stand. It's kind of the newest gimmick out there, and it is a great one at that. So we're all used to these quick benches, right? We have to step up quite a ways. We don't realize that we're even on there maybe 2 hours after we're doing a hail roof, and I've heard some tragedies that have happened over the years, which just sucks. It never happened to any of our guys, but people falling off, breaking wrists, hurting their elbows, wrists, everything. So basically it's just a little bit safer. What I really love it is it's safer for our customer. We're finding out that it's really kind of a neat deal that they can actually get up on a ladder versus all dressed up and hopping up on a quick bench to inspect maybe their hail damage, maybe a garage door came down on them, maybe they caught a softball, baseball, golf ball, whatever, and we're trying to show them the damage. It's really hard to do that, especially on a bigger SUV type of a thing. So what I love about this thing is it's just so safe, right? I mean, I feel like I could work off this thing until I'm 85 years old, but I just love that you can move this thing around. It's a spring-loaded wheel system, you guys. It's just so cool. I just think it's a really neat deal. So when you step on it, the wheels go up, they're spring-loaded, and your feet just lock in. So if you're on a smaller SUV, you can probably work from the first step, very, very wide steps as well, which I think is great. Now, if you're moving up a little bit more ergonomically, what's cool is this thing always is going out with you as you're stepping up, which is great. A little bit bigger. Now I've got a full-size truck here, lifted big beast, this new Ram supercharger, and basically, on this one, I'd want to be way up here. Well, the top step's even the better step because I've got big size 11.5 feet here, and I am on the whole stand. I can turn side to side, I can go wherever I want to, and you feel really safe. And again, that customer can actually get up on here and be a lot safer to show them their damage. But what I didn't see coming, which I really love, is when you slide it up, you've got these yellow foam here to protect the vehicle. So what's great is you get it right up against there, right? Typically, when you're working from a quick bench or something, you're doing about half the roof before you're changing sides and doing all this stuff. What's really cool about this, when I get up on the very top step, I am reaching almost all the way over. I probably got a little longer arms than some of you, but I can reach all the way over to this leg and do my work. So I feel like I can get about 3/4, maybe even 80% of that roof before I have to change. And what's really great is everything's with me. I don't have to, when I'm working from a quick bench, or even one of my tool boxes with an extension that's up this high for me, I'm constantly having to move 2 or 3 things. This, I am just moving, literally stepping off, moving it back, hopping back up there. Everything's still with me, everything's right here, and I've made my adjustment to get to the rest of the roof. So I just really believe it's a pretty neat idea. I don't back products that I don't believe in. I've only backed a few other ones this year, and I just think they're great. So check them out. Jonathan Balderrama and his partner came up with this idea. He went to Pro PDR Solutions. They came up with an incredible product. This is like version 7 or 8. They did not settle. They just kept tweaking it and tweaking it and tweaking it, and I think they really got something here. So I'm really, really enjoying so many more aspects that I didn't see coming, and that we're dealing with. So peace out, keep pushing, and take care everyone. Bye.